Okay, here we go with part two of my sweet potato reveal. We're going to see what these other three vines got on here. Part two from yesterday. So let's see what we're working with here. Guess we'll start with this one here. See if anything is under here. Soil is still kind of wet from the rain yesterday, but there we go with something right there. We got something right there. Let's see. See how big this one is. Okay, there we go. There's a nice one. Like I said, I don't know how. This is my first time growing these, so I don't know. This is pretty big though, from what I've seen on other reveals online. Some of them are small, some of them are huge. I don't know how to get the huge ones, but hey, my first time out, so we'll see. Okay, there's a small one there. And they all stay on the one vine here. Okay, let's see. So there was two on here. Okay, there's a nice little. They're curvy, but that's how they look at. That's how they look online. So there's a small one here, and another small one there. Okay, so that's vine number two. I don't think anything else is under here because I think they all stay from. Well, wait a minute, what's down here? I feel something down here. Well, maybe when I get these out, I'll go further down and see what's further down there because I feel something here. Anyway, let's go to vine number three. See what's. Oh, there's one there. Okay, there's some there. See if I can pull this up. Okay. Well, there's a nice size one there. Nice one there. Okay. See if I can get a picture of this while holding my phone here. Take a picture of those. Come on. Okay. There's another one there and one here. Little baby. Alright. Oh, wait a minute. What is that I feel down there? Is that just dirt? Yeah, it feels like just hard dirt. Well, let's look at the last one here in this container. See what we got. Small one there. Let's see what we got around here. Okay, there's some down there. Okay, looks like this one is going to have just one. Well, that's not bad. There's another one there. Two small ones. That's all for that one. What's down here? It looks like those, it's just soil down there. Let's see what else here. Yeah, I don't think anything else is further down, but hey, we got a nice little yield of sweet potatoes. Let me take this glove off here. All right, my first crop of sweet potatoes. Yeah, there's a nice size one there. Let's see. That's not bad. That one there. There's a nice one there. And then a medium size there. So yeah, we got a nice little crop. You know, my wife is the one that eats sweet potatoes. I'm not really a sweet potato person. But anyway, that's my first ever sweet potato crop or whatever. Alrighty. What's today? August 1st, 2024.